Hi everyone, today we are going to learn about operating system and Windows operating system. So your computer operating system is a program that lets you interact with your computer. The operating system and the computer hardware form a complete system that provides an environment in which user can execute programs conveniently. So basically, operating system is what allows you to use a computer, and without it, your computer is dumb. There are many versions of operating system you can install in your computer, but the two most common ones are Microsoft Windows and Mac OS. So Windows is an operating system designed by Microsoft. Windows comes preloaded with most personal computers. So there are many versions of operating system coming from IBM, Microsoft Windows NT, Windows XP, Windows Vista, Windows 7, Windows 8, and Windows 10. So as at the time of recording this video, the latest Windows is Windows 11. In my next video tutorial, I will cover a variety of topics that will allow you to gain a comprehensive understanding of Windows 10 operating system. So if you find this video informative, like it, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next video.